Do you think that you need to slash prices to win big this Black Friday? Think again. Today, we're going to teach you how to skyrocket your sales this Black Friday and Cyber Monday without offering discounts. As a matter of fact, these strategies are going to be so powerful that you might want to use them to increase sales in your business all year round. By the end of this video, you're going to have 5 powerful strategies to increase your sales, your revenues, your profits, and your customer lifetime value without devaluing your products. Let's get started. The first way that you're going to achieve this is by offering more value for less. This means that you're going to focus on value-added incentives. What this means that, and this is a popular example we've used, you're going to offer more for the same price. And how this works, quick example, McDonald's. We've all been to the Big Mac, right? Let's say that you've gone to McDonald's and for $10, for $10, you're going to get a burger, a small fry, and a small drink, and you're on your way. But with value-added incentives, there are a few things that you can do. For starters, you can give a free gift with your purchase. And when McDonald's was in Jamaica, believe it or not, this was something that was popular. I think it was popular at BK and KFC as well. When you buy a kid's meal, you could get an action figure. You could get a toy. To this day, I think I have one of those toys. What that does for you is that you're not only buying the product that you're buying, you're also going to be getting something of value added to that. Bigger companies like Procter & Gamble use this, where I've seen, for example, they're introducing a new product. And what they do is they bundle the new product with a popular old product. So a sample of the new product is bundled with the old product. And now, because of that, you have more value for your purchasing dollars. So you're not going to be paying more for the product, but you're going to be getting more, which increases the value. Another thing that you can do is you can offer exclusive bundles and discounts that are only available for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And this is also going to increase the perceived value of your offer to your customers, which means that it's more likely that they're going to purchase. Something else that you can do to increase the value of the order is you can increase warranties and guarantees on these offers to offer customers more security. You know, Black Friday, Cyber Monday is a little bit notorious for stuff getting lost in shipping and getting damaged during shipping and stuff like that. Make it easier and less stress-free and less worrying for your customers to do business with you this Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and your profits will benefit drastically. Hey, if you're enjoying this video so far and you find it helpful, I think you'll enjoy what we have in store for you. If you're ready to take things to the next level and get some personalized guidance, why not book a paid consultation with our team? We'll work directly with you to help you solve your specific business challenges and help you fast track your growth. It's like having a personal roadmap tailored for you. Now I get it. Maybe you're not ready for a consultation just yet. No worries, you can still benefit from our expertise by joining our email list. We'll send you free lessons packed with powerful strategies to help you grow your business. These lessons will give you actionable tips and insights straight to your inbox so you can keep learning at your own pace. So whether you're looking for personalized help or just free valuable content, there's something for everyone. Hit the link below to book a consultation with our team and to join our email list. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Another sales strategy that you can use to increase sales this Black Friday, Cyber Monday without offering discounts is limited time offers. And this doesn't mean it has to be a discount. So here's how this is going to work. You're going to use scarcity to increase demand among your customers without reducing your price. Supreme, Yeezys, and these other premium brands do the same. Porsche does it, Ford does it with the GT. They are able to charge a premium price for their products by reducing the amount of the product that is available. Now, remember, you can get air pretty much anywhere on earth. Nobody's going to buy air, even though it's so valuable. Why? Because it's everywhere. But something like gold, that's in limited supply. That's always valuable. Do the same in your business. What can you offer at a reduced quantity to increase urgency? Increasing urgency is going to mean that customers are going to feel that they need to purchase now in order to get it, or they might not get it. And that means that once your sale goes live, you don't have to reduce the price, because this is never about the price. This is about them getting something that is extremely valuable and extremely rare. And that is going to be powerful. One way that you can do this is by offering exclusive products. So we've seen this done with, different brands like Nike, limited time shoes, Yeezys, limited time shoes, Supreme, limited time, whatever it is that they sell. I think they even sell underwear. So I could never say. You can do that in your business as well. You can make only a Black Friday, Cyber Monday version of your offer and make that only limited to a certain amount of customers, perhaps 20% of your usual customer base. So if you normally get about 1,000 customers, only 200 spots are available. You can also do flash sales for early access, meaning that you're going to say to your customers, for our most loyal customers, we're going to allow you to start purchasing 1 hour before the sale starts, or 2 hours or 5 hours before the sale starts, perhaps a week, depending on what you're selling. And you're going to use email marketing to get this to work, and social media. Matter of fact, if it sounds complicated, watch this video here that we've already done that teaches you how to get this done. And you can also use BOGO, buy one, get one, meaning that if you buy one of this product, you're going to get this other product. It's the same purchase price, but the value has been increased. And that's amazing. This next sales strategy is going to be a powerful and underrated and underutilized one, offering or creating an unbeatable customer service. The reason why this works is because customers are willing to pay more for a premium shopping experience. Some of the ways that you can achieve this is by, offering free shipping on Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So instead of paying for shipping Black Friday, Cyber Monday, shipping's on us, get what you need and we'll take shipping for you. Offer as many free shipping options as possible. Another way that you can do this is by offering VIP customer service and support. So for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, we're going to have more support agents helping you get your order sorted out. We're going to have more sales attendants in store or online helping you get your perfect order put together. We're offering priority access. We're offering free returns. We're offering 24/7 support only for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So you're making the shopping experience, which on Black Friday, Cyber Monday can be a little bit stressful, you're making it a lot easier for them. Another way that you can do this, which is a little bit more advanced, is you can offer personalized shopping recommendations and experiences for your customers. This simply means that you're going to be taking a look at your customers, you're going to know what they love, and you're going to create something for them specifically. This is a beautiful way to increase your sales on Black Friday and Cyber Monday without actually offering discounts, because yet again, this is going to be a limited time offer, and we know what that does: fear of missing out, urgency. Leveraging scarcity and exclusivity. So I mentioned that earlier, fear of missing out and urgency. Here's how scarcity and fear of missing out and exclusivity work. A lot of brands are valuable simply because most people don't have them. They can't afford them. The reason why a Porsche is so beautiful of a car is because not many people can afford a Porsche. Not many Porsches are available. Ferrari, notorious for their scarcity and exclusivity. Even if you have the money, it doesn't necessarily mean that you can get to buy a Ferrari. So what you're going to be doing in your business is something similar. You don't try to sell as much as possible. You limit it. You're going to limit how much you're going to be selling. By limiting your quantity, you're limiting your stock. The price is going to do what it does in economics. It's going to go up, and up it's going to go. So instead of offering a discount, maybe just maybe you're going to offer a premium option, a premium priced product, and that's going to give you more revenues, increasing your average order value, and that's going to increase your profits as well. A few ways that you can achieve this is by offering a limited time product. We've also mentioned this before. You can also offer perks for your most loyal customers. You can start memberships, so only members can get this. You see this on YouTube sometimes. You want to watch a video and you're like, this is a members only video. I'm like, what the hell? I thought YouTube was free. And you have to pay. It's like $3 sometimes depending on the creator. But the idea stands. By limiting the availability of your product or service, you're going to increase the value. And those are a few ways. Loyalty, membership, limited time offers. Those are a few ways that you can go about doing that. Urgency and scarcity. Always use it in your marketing, guys. You're going to make more than you're ever going to lose simply by being hard to get, hard to purchase. Another way that you can increase your sales this Black Friday and Cyber Monday is by utilizing gift cards and store credit. Gift cards and store credits are a little bit tricky, but here's how it's gonna work. For store credit, instead of purchasing now and paying the full fee, how about, and this can be your membership and subscription that we've mentioned as well, how about we give you at a discounted rate and you pay monthly? So instead of paying $100 today, how about you pay $20 for 6 months? Or how about you use our store credit card, and you know how credit cards work. You get the product now and then you pay for it later, and everyone makes a profit. Simple, right? This is gonna take a little bit more know-how for your business, just to know exactly how you can get that done. I think you'd have to talk to your bank and your financial advisor to see the best deal. Don't go out and do this by yourself, guys. You want the numbers to make sense, given inflation, interest rates, and risk of default, meaning that the likelihood that customers might not pay their credit. So if someone makes, you can also do it as simple as someone makes a $10, a $100 purchase, you give them a $10 gift card. What this is gonna do, you might give them $10 off, but it's better to give them the $10 gift card, because the $10 gift card is going to keep them as a customer. They're going to have to use that gift card with your business to redeem it to actually get something, meaning that they're going to purchase from you again and they're going to enjoy that experience, which keeps them coming. You can also do gift card giveaways, and you can give bonus store credits. Those are just a few options on the store credits and utilizing gift cards that you can use to increase your Black Friday sales. Another way that you can increase your Black Friday sales and revenues without offering discounts is you can offer a limited time experience. And here's how I've seen a business do this, not for Black Friday, but for the actual sale. What they've done is they brought in a news team, they brought in entertainers. In Jamaica, music is such a huge part of the culture. You know about Bob Marley and all of those popular artists. They brought in entertainment, they brought in a news team, they got a stage, they got bouncer balls for the kids, they got cake to give to the customers. It was Customer Appreciation Day, guys. And everyone that came in, they could be interviewed, they could be seen on TV, they could be heard on the radio. There were games, there were shows, the music was there, food was there. It was not business in the sense of come and buy and go back home. It was business as in come in, have fun, enjoy the atmosphere. We love you. Imagine doing this for Black Friday. No, it doesn't have to be online. So I know that you're perhaps here for your e-commerce store or maybe for your brick and mortar. There are ways that you can personalize the experience for your customers. Here are a few ways. So we just mentioned one for brick and mortar where you can actually have an event, a festivities for the day. Here's another way that you can do this online. How about you set up a live stream of your store on YouTube, send it out to your customer base, have people come on, talk about their experiences shopping at your business, using your online store, etc. That can be done for brick and mortar and online. You can also give behind the scenes access. So this is a little bit easier. So if you have an online store, you can give behind the scenes access. Here's how we're going to be packaging your gift for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Here's our delivery process. Here are the key people around our team. Here is the premium wear most in demand product that's coming in. You can build hype. Like we said, go ahead and watch this video to learn how to increase sales for your Black Friday, Cyber Monday. We talk about stuff like building hype and how to use the best sales and marketing strategies before the sale to increase the likelihood that the sale actually works. So these are just a few ways that you can offer a premium experience, a premium shopping experience, online or offline, for your customers. You can even hold virtual workshops. So for example, you're a service business. At Zelhan, we help businesses and entrepreneurs set up a successful online version of their business that works 24/7. What we could do is we could give a free, well, I wouldn't do it on Black Friday because, you know, you want to be with family, you want to go out and have friends, but you could, well, we could have a live virtual event, perhaps for an hour, where we just pitch questions from the audience. This is a problem that you have. It's a free consultation. Let's take a look at your website. Let's take a look at your sales funnel. You know your business and your customers best. I'm just giving you ideas on how to use this in your business. Another way to ensure that your Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales actually works well is building hype before and after the sale. And here's how you're going to do this. Before the sale, build anticipation, build excitement, tell customers, like we said in the video right here, you have to know. So this video over in here, watch that to make the best of your Black Friday, Cyber Monday offers. Customers tend to know what they're going to buy on Black Friday, Cyber Monday before Black Friday, Cyber Monday comes around. Meaning that you can't wait until Black Friday, Cyber Monday to send out your offers. Build hype by sharing your offers what's going to be on sale, what are the potential savings, how do you check out, can you join a wait list, is there early access, are there any perks and incentives, is it going to be strictly discount, are there going to be bundles, what's going to be there for me. Get it done early. Use your social, use your email, use your YouTube, use carrier pigeon if you need to wrap the paper for the advertisement in a rock and toss it in your neighbor's house. Don't break his window, guys. And do whatever it is that you can do to get the word out there that your sale is coming. And remember, in this video, we're saying that your sale doesn't have to be a discount, but build interest and use the other points that we've suggested before. But how does this matter after Black Friday? Here's how. Black Friday comes every year, guys. If someone got a good experience this year, they're gonna perhaps buy again next year. So after Black Friday, share pictures of the event, send out a warm welcome, well, a warm word of gratitude to your customers, tell them that you appreciate them, tell them that you're gonna be there again, ask them what they would have wanted to be different, get them involved, because customers, when they feel involved in your business and they feel invested, it is more likely that they're gonna be repeat customers, they're gonna stay longer, and they're gonna purchase more. These are just some powerful ways to increase your sales on Black Friday and Cyber Monday without offering discounts. So to recap, you're going to focus on giving more value per order, so you don't have to reduce your price, you just give more for the same price. You're going to offer limited time offers without discounts. You're going to create an unbeatable customer experience. You're going to use scarcity and exclusivity to increase the urgency of someone buying your product or increase the urgency of your customers buying your products. You're going to utilize gift cards and store credits to increase the ease at which customers can get your products and increase the average lifetime value of customers and also the average order value and the long-term life of your business, because now you have more money coming in over the next few months. You're going to use limited time experiences to create a memory that customers will never forget. Remember that party I told you about at the store? It was less about business that day, it was about having a good time with the customers and the staff. And last but not least, you are going to build hype before and after Black Friday, because not only is this Black Friday coming up is important, but you also want to prepare for next Black Friday starting, this year. Starting this year. Before next year comes, you want to start this year. So thank you guys for watching. Here's what we're doing. We have a series of videos about getting your best results on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Contrary to popular belief, your business might not want to do Black Friday sales. Remember, Apple does not offer Black Friday sales, neither does Rolls-Royce, neither does Porsche. There's a reason for that. So if you think that you don't need Black Friday sales, watch this video here for some alternatives.